guys, what's going on? How you guys doing? My hair is red, like so if you guys want to see how my hair got red with no dye, please keep watching. Please also, before we get into the video, I just want to go over a few things. Please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Y'all know I put out good content, so I suggest liking the video. Like right when you see that I drop, just go like the video. That way you already did it, because y'all don't like my stuff. Like y'all like it, but y'all don't be liking my stuff, and I don't know why. But we're gonna go ahead and get right to the video. Let me put my gloves on, because I don't want this getting on my hands. And I bought red. Just a little bit of leaving in my hair. Just a little bit, so my hair can be moisturized. Then I'm gonna section my hair off into 4 sections. So the girl in the video, she started with the red, so give me some red. I'm scared, y'all. I'm terrified. It smells good, so that's a good sign, but I just never had color in my hair, so we gonna see. Oh, I should probably have a towel around my neck, right? I'm gonna mix it with orange, but trying to make sure the red is spread out evenly throughout my whole head. I don't know, I'm gonna just put this towel around my neck. Then I'm gonna take the orange and put it on top. Y'all, I'm scared, y'all. This is scary.
It's so quick to walk away. Next to me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay next to me. You don't have to picture, wanna play next to me. Let me rock you to the break of day. Next to me, got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I'll have whatever you have. Come on, let's give it a whirl. So I've been watching you, and I like the way you move. So go ahead, girl, just do that same thing you do. So grab your girls and grab a couple more, and all can be.
This is a side by side. The side. And then my room. I meant the 1B color.
In the middle of the course, and the air sticks, the smell right. To the last, to the left, and the sail to the right. It's so quick to walk away. Next to me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay next to me. You don't have to picture, wanna play next to me. Let me rock you to the break of day. Next to me. Talk to me, boy. Disrespect, I don't need no more. Talk to me, boy. Can't pretend to give you my voice. Talk to me, boy. Hurry up, it's taking too long. Talk to me, boy. Had to make it by the end of this song. So it's so quick to walk away. Next to me, I wanna rock your body.
Do I like it? I have no idea. I'm still trying to figure out if I like this. How do I feel about this? I don't know. Like, I don't know. It's not ugly. So let me see something real fast.
Walking up to me like they know me. You were the one that stayed aside, waited a while and took your time. You don't know how impressive your curiosity was to me. It was the 4th day of July. Looked in my eyes and saw that I more than just a man. Someone I can talk to for a
it gets on everything. It gets on everything. But other than that, I like the smell. I actually like the way it turned out after I styled it. And I think it's cute. One, I used a lot of the red today, so I'm gonna try orange by itself and then try to throw the red on top of the orange, see if that makes a difference. Alright, so I'm gonna really keep it a buck with y'all. I really wasn't in love. Let me close the door. I really wasn't in love with this when I first did it, and y'all could tell like on my face. Like I was like, what the fuck is this? After that, and I actually styled it and everything, I was like, you know what? I like it. It's cute. I think it's cute. Yeah, like I don't know. I think it was the style. My hair just looks stupid. Like, but I really do like it. And if you guys like it and you want me to try different colors, please subscribe to my YouTube channel first. Comment what colors you want me to do, and I can definitely do that for y'all. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Y'all know how I'm popping off in my corner of the world, and I hope y'all enjoy watching this as much as I enjoy filming it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.